So, if you're feeling impatient because your manifestation isn't here yet, you're focusing more on the lack, the more on the fact that where is it, rather than actually having your manifestation. So, if we go back to manifestation basics for a second, manifestation or manifesting something is not about trying to get something. It's about reminding yourself that you already having it and stepping into the state of the person that already has the thing that you want. Or if you prefer, um, you know, walking into the reality or warping into the reality of the version of you that has the dream life, the dream car, the dream husband, wife, whatever it is. So when you find yourself feeling really, really impatient, you need to stop that train of thought because doing more of those things will mean noticing that it's not here more often and tapping into, oh, I have my car. It's on its way. It's already here. I love my new car. I love how I feel in the new car. And reminding yourself of the person that you'd be if you had the thing that you wanted. And I know it's really frustrating if you're somebody who's been focusing on something for a really long period of time and you're like, where is it? Why isn't it here? And it's most likely because you've been going back and forth into your mind and, affirming and doing the work and then looking out into the 3D and saying, hey, where is it? And I think it's really important to make sure on this journey that you're also focusing on your self concept and doing affirmations that help build up your confidence and remind yourself that you're an amazing person with an amazing life. So when you do start to feel impatient that the car isn't here, the house isn't here, the job isn't here, you can step into the fact, well, you know what? I'm living my dream life. It's fine. Everything is always working out for me. Everything is good. Miracles happen for me every single day. Um, or if that doesn't work, what I find is really, really useful, if something hasn't manifested yet, I try to create some reason and logic as to why it's not here. So if I'm trying to manifest a job, I tell my and I have told myself this in the past, so it definitely does work. I say, oh, they're just trying to figure out how they can get my desired salary. They're just actually signing off budget for me, and they're about to get back to me. It's happening. Yeah, I've got this in the bag. So this is just a really quick video, a really quick reminder to tell you if you're feeling impatient, stop, stop right now. Go for a walk. Go have a bath. Either stop your thoughts, so stop thinking negatively and distract yourself, so that you don't manifest more negative thoughts and put them in momentum. Either distract yourself or remind yourself that you already have it. Embody the state of the person that has everything they want. What would they think? What would they feel? What would they say? Who would they be? And just keep going. Just keep going and remind yourself that manifestation and whatever you see, it's all thought based. So all you need to do is change your thoughts and do it consistently and persist enough so that you start to see all these changes in your reality.